Okay, we completed theory part. So kindly please all of you note down the list of the formula. First one is shape function for the axis symmetric is n1, n2, n3. These are the three. Please all of you note down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is alpha 1, beta
Yes,
1, gamma 1, alpha 2, beta 2, gamma 2, alpha 3, beta 3, gamma 3 means you have to take down this now. Please all of you note down where alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 1, gamma 3, these are the things. Please make a list of the formula in every module. Very important, especially in all numerical subjects. That is what you have to do it first. You have to write it in one side when you are preparing for exams or a test. What are the things exam preparation? You have to note down the list formula one side, and you have to go to the first, go through that formulas, glance it first. You have to be memorize that. Without formula you can't do anything that you know well. That's why you have to make a list of that. It is make very helpful. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The what?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then okay, this is over. Then you write area of the triangle. Area of the triangle A is equal to 1 by 2 determinant of J. 1 by 2 determinant of J. Determinant means, please you have to write like the det, two vertical lines, in between that you have to write what? J. Okay, this is a notation of determinate matrix. What is J means? Where J is called what?
Jacobian.
Jacobian matrix. What is Jacobian matrix? This is a Jacobian matrix. Okay,
Okay, sir.
where J is equal to Jacobian matrix, that equal to 1 R1 Z1, 1 R2 Z2, and finally 1 R3 Z3. Like that you have to write. Please do all of you that. this area of triangle with respect to the r and z coordinates, node 1, 2, 3. Or
Sir. Yes, sir.
all of you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go to the third formula. Next to write the global displacement with respect to the radial direction is u is equal to n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3. n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3. Similarly, the global displacement with respect to the axial direction is w is equal to n1 w1 n2 w2 plus n3 w3. This is with respect to the radial direction, this is with respect to the axial. Or
Yes, sir.
all
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Okay. Next. Next to write the stiffness matrix for the axis symmetric element is given by, write down this, next. Therefore k is equal to write down 2 pi r a into b of b transpose d into b. where B is what? B is what?
Displacement matrix. Strain displacement matrix.
Where B is the strain displacement matrix, that is equal to, please copy this, all of you. One by 2a beta 1 0 beta 2 0 beta 3 0 and so on. D is called what? D called what?
Material.
Material property matrix. Where D called material property matrix, that equal to, please note on this. That is not V. Please keep this in mind. This is nu. Or you can write mu. That is Poisson's ratio. Okay. This is called nu. Now don't write like a V. Nu. This is called nu. This is called mu. Keep the difference. Okay. That is called Poisson's ratio. Or
Yes, sir.
where A is called area of the element. A is called area of the what? Triangular element. Next, the stiffness matrix with respect to the radius of the centroid. The stiffness matrix with respect to the radius of the centroid, it's given by K is equal to, write down, 2 pi r bar A into B bar transpose D into B bar. A is equal to 2 pi r bar A into B bar transpose D into B bar. Where r bar is called what? R bar is equal to what?
Radius with respect to.
Where radius of the centroid. R bar is the radius of the centroid, that equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3 divided by 3. R1 plus r2 plus r3 divided by 3. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
Sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
And B bar and with this one only, that is same for D matrix, and B matrix will not change. And at centroid of the triangle, shape function n1 equal to n2 equal to n3 will be 1 by 3. At centroid of the triangle, n1 equal to n2 equal to n3, that is shape functions are 1 by 3 times will be. Over?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next. The strain matrix epsilon equal to B into U. The strain matrix epsilon is equal to B into U. Where epsilon is called which matrix? Epsilon equal to which matrix?
Sir, shear strain matrix.
Hey, strain matrix. Epsilon equal to strain matrix, and that equal to this much. Where epsilon equal to strain matrix, that equal to epsilon r, epsilon z, epsilon theta, and gamma rz. Okay. Epsilon r, epsilon z, epsilon theta, gamma rz. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And where B equal to what? B called an
Strain
what?
displacement
Strain displacement matrix. I think you already written that. This one,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No need to write. Again, U equal to, where U called what? B
Sir,
is the
global
strain displacement matrix. So
Global
write it
displacement matrix.
global displacement matrix. Global U is the global displacement matrix, and that equal to this much. U1 W1, U2 W2, U3 W3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You written where B is the straight displacement matrix you written. No need to write
Yes,
this
sir.
matrix because already you copied. And U is called global displacement matrix, that is U1 W1 U2 W2 U3 W3. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Next formula, body force vector. Body force vector F, let me see, F equal to write down 2 pi r bar a by 3 F r 1 bar F z1 bar F r2 bar and so on. Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Okay. Transpose. This is transpose. Usually it is vertical, that is column matrix will be there, but they written like a row matrix. That's why they use T. Where FR is what?
The centrifugal force.
Centrifugal force, that equal to rho into R into omega square. Rho into R into omega square. Again, omega is what? Omega, where omega equal to what?
2 pi
Radial
and 60.
angular velocity, that is 2 pi n by 60. What is the unit of this? What is the unit of this? So this will be in Newton. Okay. And what is omega?
So,
Radian per
second.
Can you tell me how we will get 2 pi? How we got this 2 pi n by 60? Very basic level. This one. Anyone know this? How we got this 2 pi n by 60? Anyone? How we got this 2 pi n by 60? This is very fundamental. You studied in a school level. Can you tell me how we got this? Gottilla. Or omega is 2 pi n by 60. Next, FZ. FZ means what?
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force. That is equal to minus, and one more, where omega is the what do you call written? What do you written?
2 pi n by 60.
2 pi n by 60, and rho is called density. Rho is called density. Rho is called density. That is weight density. Sorry. That is mass density. Okay. Mass density. Sorry. Wait. That is weight density. Weight density. Write down weight density. Okay. Weight density. Written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Weight density in Newton per meter cube. Newton per meter cube. Next. This you can write R bar. Please all of you write this is omega rho into R bar into omega square. This is R bar. Where R bar is called what? Please make this one rho R bar omega square. Where R bar equal to what?
Radius
R1
of
plus R2 plus
centroid.
R3 divided
Where
by
R bar is the
3.
radius of the centroid. Radius of the centroid in meter. In meter or mm, whatever it may be. Let's come to the now gravitation force. That is equal to minus rho into G. Minus rho into G in Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next, last one, traction force. Please write down this figure, all of you. Then only you can understand. Traction force. That is T is equal to this much. And this is you write with respect to 1, 1. This is 2, 2. And where L equal to this one. T is equal to 2 pi R bar L by 2, TR1, TZ1, TR2, TZ2, where T is called traction force. Where T is called traction force. Where T is called traction force. TR and TZ is called traction force. TR and TZ is called traction force. With respect to R and Z direction. With respect to R and Z direction in MPa. Unit is MPa. TR and TZ are the traction force with respect to R and Z direction in MPa. Clear?
Sir.
Sir.
Copied everything? Figure everything you copied?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where L equal to? Where L is called? L is called length of the traction force which act. Length of the traction force which acts. Okay. So that's all. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
see, some formula will be helpful for now solve the problem, and some formula is helpful to memorize to for your helpful for your derivation. That's why I taken in all the list of formula at a one time. Please go through this again and again those formulas, because one time it can't be memorized. You have to be keep on memorize that. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me take to the numerical problem now. Write down numerical problem. Ready with your calci?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, Note down. First of all, for the element of an axisymmetry body rotating with a constant angular velocity, omega is equal to 1000 revolution per minute. Then, as shown in figure, determine the body force vector, include the weight of the material, where the specific weight is 7850. I think same figure. Okay, 7850 kg per meter cube. You take the here itself. Better. See, 4 marks. The problem 4 marks. But what is the derivation they given in this question paper? Huh? What is the derivation they given?
Stiffness matrix of
Stiffness matrix.
axisymmetric body.
See the marks, how much they given?
12 marks. Highest.
Over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you taken. Ninth B question, all of you note down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. See, what are the things they given? Let me see first, and we'll note down the data. Then we'll solve it. Fine. Okay. See, they are given one triangular axisymmetric element. This having three nodes. They given three nodes. And what are these bracket terms they given? What are these bracket terms they given? What are these? Coordinates. This is nothing but coordinates. Okay. So this is nothing but R1, Z1. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
R1, Z1.
Yes,
This
sir.
is R2, comma Z2, and this is nothing but R3, comma Z3. Okay. And also what they given? What they given?
Sir, R bar.
That is the radius of the center. Okay, write down data R1 equal to, see what is this inside the values they given in terms of mm. They are not mentioned. Why? How we can consider that it's mm means, see, 60 meter means it is too big. I mean, practically it is not possible 60 meter or 50 meter, 75 meter. Therefore, based on that, we are going to consider everything in mm. Write down R1 equal to 50, R1 equal to 50 mm, R1 equal to 50 mm, Z1 equal to how much? Z1 equal to how much?
50.
50 mm. In figure also you write this is R1 comma Z1, R1 comma Z1. Next R2, this is R2 comma Z2. R2 is 75 mm, Z2 is 50 mm. R2 is 75 mm, Z2 is 50 mm. Next, this is R3 comma Z3. R3 is 50 mm and Z3 is 75 mm. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the next data? Radius of the centroid. R bar equal to how much mm?
60.
60 mm. Okay. This much is the data from the figure. Let me see in the question what are the data given. What they given here? With the angular velocity omega is 1000 revolution per minute. See, be careful here. They saying angular velocity, but omega they given in what is the unit they given?
Revolution.
Per minute.
Revolution
But
per minute.
actual omega unit is what? Actual omega unit is what?
Radian per second.
Correct, no? Revolution per minute, which is that unit? Revolution per minute. Which is that unit? RPM. Revolution per unit, nothing but RPM. Which is that unit?
Speed.
Speed. Keep this in mind. That is not to make confusion. They're given like that. They said that omega, but in terms of revolution per minute they given. That's why please take down in the data n equal to 1000 RPM. 1000 RPM. Therefore omega become how much now? Omega become how much? 2 pi n by
60.
How much radian per second? Check out.
Sir, 104.71.
All of you got that value? 104.
104.71.
What is the unit?
The radian per second.
Radian per second. Now, fine. Next, 1 minute. ಇವ್ರೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? One minute. Here there's some confusion. One minute. One minute. Okay. You written row as in the formal list. What you written row actually? Hello? Hello?
Sir, weight density.
It is not weight density. Please make a correction. It is a mass density.
Sir, in Newton per meter cube.
No, no, no. In kg per meter cube.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kg per meter cube.
Yes, sir.
What they confused here. Seven 850. Yeah. I will confirm 1 second. Wait. Confused. 1 minute. Weight density. What happened? Weight density is Newton per meter. Fine. Because that is kg per meter cube only. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Please make a correction that
Yes, sir.
that is kg per meter cube. Now, what is the next step is you written how much 7850 kg per meter cube rho they given, correct? No, they already given 7850, correct?
Yes, sir.
7850, right?
Yes, sir.
Let it be that 7850. See, they saying that include the weight of the material, means it total including the weight, it is become 7850. So therefore next what they given, any other omega is over, that's all the data. So next we'll solve it. What is the thing, find what is the things you have to find it. One is body force.
Body force
correct.
vector.
You have to find, write down, find f b. Let's say b stands for body force equal to question mark. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we know, write down the formula. What is the body force vector formula? 2 pi r bar a by 3 fr1 f fz1 fz2, like that's this one. Please write down other formula. 2 pi r bar a by 3 fr1 bar fz1 bar fr2 bar fz2 bar fr3 bar fz3 bar. Please note down that. Written?
Yes, sir.
All of you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, now what is a? What is a? Where a equal to what? Area of the
Try.
triangle element. See, what is that actually we given? Half of the determinant of j, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is the formula, right?
Yes, sir.
What is j? J is called Jacobian matrix, isn't it? So that is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but this one.
Yes, sir.
So instead of doing that, what we can do, in other way, triangular element area we can find. We know that triangular element A is equal to half of base into height, correct? No, this is one more alternative way to find the area of the triangle, B into H, where B and H are breadth and height of the triangle. That you know well, generally the area of the triangle is B into H. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Now we need to find the breadth. So
Yes,
breadth
sir.
is called, please show it in the figure. This is called breadth. This is breadth. In figure, please show it, all of you. And this is called height, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, where
Yes, sir.
B is the breadth. What is the breadth of the this one become? Can you tell me? B equal to how much? B equal to how much? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? See, here R1 is there, here R2 is there. R1 means with respect to from here R1. R2 means with respect to from the centroidal, it is R2. Therefore, B become how much? B become how much? R2 minus R1.
Sir. 75 minus 50, 20.
That is 75 minus how much?
25. 50.
50.
Answer 25.
How much?
25.
25
sir.
mm. 75 minus 50, 25 mm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you tell me anyone what is H become now? height of the triangle?
75 minus 50.
That is Z3 minus Z1.
Z2.
Z2 or Z1 both are same, no?
Z2.
Z2 or Z1 both are same, 50-50 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay, let it make it Z2 only, no problem. So this is 75. Z2 how much?
50.
Z2 how much?
50, sir.
25, sir.
That is become 25. Please note down in the formula list, area of the triangle half of the determinant of J, or we can find in other way, half into breadth into height. Half into breadth into height. Understood all of you, area of the triangle how we taken?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise you have to do the
Yes, sir.
determinant. Jacobian matrix determinant you have to find out, divided by 2 if you do it, you will get the same thing. Instead of that we taken directly B into H, that's all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now therefore area of the triangle half equal to B into H. How much you will get? B into H, 25 into 25 divided by 2.
Sir, 312.5.
312.5 mm square. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
All of you
sir.
writing? Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
Girish,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can hear
Yes,
only
sir.
some few people sounds. Others is not at all speaking. All of you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this form, in this equation we got A, R bar already they given. Now what is the next thing you have to find out? FR.
Sir,
What is
FR.
FR means? Where FR equal to what? Centrifugal force. That is rho into R bar into omega square. The not W, this one omega square. Rho into R bar into omega square. Correct?
Sir.
Correct? What is rho? How
Sir,
much they given?
7,850 kg per meter cube.
See, unit is very important here. Area you got it in mm, but this is in meter. Therefore, any one you have to convert into mm or meter. Let us convert this one only in mm. 7850 kg per what?
The meter cube.
Let's convert into kg per mm cube. Meter to mm. What you have to do? 1 meter equal to how many mm?
Sir, 1000 mm.
Therefore, 1000 whole cube. Because meter cube is there. Therefore, 7850 divided by 1000 whole cube become how much? 7850 divided by 1000 cube how much? Seven eight five zero divided by 1000 cube how much?
7 point.
7.85 into 10 power minus 6.
7.85.
Into 10 power minus 6.
What is the unit become now? Kg per mm
Cube.
cube. Clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, therefore,
Yes,
now
yes,
you
sir.
should calculate centrifugal force per unit volume is rho into R bar into omega square. Omega square, I think already omega you find out it. Rho we got.
Yes, sir.
R bar they given. Do it. Everyone doing?
Yes,
All of you
sir.
doing?
Sir.
Sir.
Vijay Kumar, Bharat Kumar, Vijay Kumar, Bharat Kumar.
Sir, FR is equal to 5.16.
Bharat Kumar Payan, sir.
5.16, sir.
5.16
Yes, sir. 5.16. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
5.16
Sir.
kg per not kg, Newton per mm cube, not kg, sir. Newton per mm cube. Body force, no? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Newton.
Let me check this. Kg. The unit I will get, let me check. Kg per meter cube. What is the R bar unit? Let me take in a meter only. Mm meter. This is 2 pi n by 60. Radian per second.
R bar mm.
Okay, okay, no problem. I will take in a meter. Kg per meter square second. 1 Newton equal to how much? 1 Newton equal to what is that thing? 1 Newton equal to? Hello? What is 1
Sir.
Newton equal to? What is 1 Newton equal to? 1 Newton is nothing but 1 kg meter square second square. Correct? Hello? Hello? 1
Yes, sir.
Newton ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ 1 kg meter
sir.
square second square. Here what happened? Omega square is there. Omega square is nothing but radian per second whole square. That is become radian square per second square. And let me take rho in terms of meter means kg meter cube into meter. Therefore meter get cancelled. That is become kg meter square second square. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. What is gravitational unit? What is the G unit? G unit is what?
Newtons.
G unit. G unit ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Newton is
G gravitation unit. 9.81 is what? is what? Gravitation force? No. What is that unit? What is that unit? ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ that is per second square, no? 9.81 per second square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Therefore that is G. Kg into gravitation, if you do it, what is the unit you'll get? Kg into gravitation force, if you multiply, what is the unit you'll get? Kg into gravitation force, if you do it, what is the unit you'll get? Newton, no? kg ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ಗೆ? You are going to multiply with the gravitation force, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
kg ಇರುತ್ತೆ, how will going to convert into Newton? You multiply by G, right? ರೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? kg ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 10 kg, how will going to convert into Newton? 10 kg into G.
9.8 into weight 9.81.
Gravity.
9.8.
That means, therefore, we will erase all this, otherwise it makes sense. Therefore, you will get this unit in Newton per mm cube. Okay. So what is the actually? This is not you got 5.16,
16.
huh?
6.
Yes, sir.
16 or 26.
Yes, sir.
5.16.
Body force always it is
16.
acting with respect to volume. That is by Newton per metric mm cube. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the next force? What is the next force?
Sir,
Gravitation
FZ.
force. So how to find the gravitation force? Minus rho into g. Rho you know already. Yes to the rho. What is the value of rho you got in terms of kg per mm cube?
7.85 into 10 power minus 6.
7.85 into
10 to the
10
power of
power
minus
minus 6 kg per, what is the unit? Mm cube
Cube.
into gravitation force 9.81. Therefore, what you will get in terms of Newton per mm cube? How much? (7.85) into 10 raised to minus 6 into 9.81. How much? Minus
7.7 into 10 power minus 5.
minus
Minus 7.70 into 10 power minus
7.708 in 10 power of minus 5.
7.75 into 10 power.
10 to the power
minus
5.
Newton per mm cube. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you got that value?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, we got Fr, we got Fz. Substitute here. Substitute in the body force equation. And 2 pi r bar a by 3, how much you'll get? That you multiply by finally to the inside. Therefore, finally F bar you have to calculate. I think you will not get this value. This is wrong actually. Please you write yourself. You write yourself. Fz how much you said? 7 point?
Sir, minus 7.70085 into 10 power minus 5.
Correct.
So now we have to do into, sir, FR1 into FZ1 into.
Madbeko. Not into, that is, please,
Comma.
that is comma. Don't multiply that value.
Simply we have to keep.
Hmm? What happened? You substitute values Fr, Fz. All of you substituted.
No,
See,
sir.
what you have to do is You substitute the FR value, FZ value. 0. How much you got? You tell me that value substitute.
Okay, sir.
Here, how much you got? 5 point?
Sir, 5.16.
116.
And here, how much you got?
The minus 7.7 into 10 power minus 5.
7.78 alla.
70085.
0085. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 7.70085
Okay. 0085
into 10 power minus 5.
10 power of minus
into 10 power minus 5 you got. Now you multiply that value, you are substitute those values here everywhere. Same thing will be there. Now all of you do 2 pi r bar into a by 3. How much you will get?
The 39.26 into 10 power 3.
3 point.
This one, if you multiply by how much you will get?
The 39.26 into 10 power 3.
3.92 into 10 power 4.
39.26
Same. 26 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3.
or 3.926 into 10 power 4. Both are same. Okay.
Same.
Now this 39.26 into 10 power 3 multiply by inside. So 39.26 into 10 power 3 into 5.16. How much?
202.63 into 10 power 3.
463 into 10
2 not
202.63 into 10 power 3.
2.63 into
202.63 into
10 power 3.
into 10
10
power
power 3.
into 10 power 3. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Comma 39.26 into 10 power 3 into minus 7.7008 into 10 power minus 5. How much? How much?
The minus 3.023.
Minus
3.023.
3.023.
3.023. That's all.
That's all, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
comma.
Yes, sir.
Again it will be repeated. FR2, FZ2 same thing. FR3, FZ3 same thing. Whole into transpose. That's all. You have to do it. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here, see that mistakes is here. That's why I confused. Here again they did that 9.81. Actually, this is not. Two not 2.63 into 10 power 3, comma minus 3.0323, comma against 202.63 into 10 power 3, comma minus 3.023, again comma two values will be repeated in terms of Newton, everything. Whole into Newton. Correct now?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Because here mm cube will be there. R into A become mm cube. Mm cube by mm cube, what happens? Cancel. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
R bar into A, you will get in mm cube. FR and FZ in Newton per mm cube. Therefore, mm cube by mm cube, what happens? Cancel. Finally, what is the unit you will get?
The Newton.
Newton.
Centrifugal force and gravitation force, it is a body force. It will be Newton per mm cube. Keep this in mind. Over.
Over, sir.
Last one, very easy one. This problem is very, very important. Put a star mark, triple star mark, because every time it is the only repeated most question. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you
Sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take to the next problem.
Yes, sir.
Last problem on this topic. Evaluate the nodal forces used to replace the linearly varying surface tension Surface traction, not tension. And take that figure. See, it is not 0.4. Keep this in mind. It is
0 to 4.
0 to 4 megapascal. No, it is 0.4 only. Sorry. Point. 0.4 only. Make it fast. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Keep this in mind. It is 0.4, not 0 to 4. 0.4. See, they given which force now? Which force they given?
Nodal force.
Sir, surface traction force.
Surface traction force they given. Therefore, see, surface traction force acting on which node? Between node 2 and 3.
3.
Okay. So now what is that value? 0.4 megapascal. Okay. See, here it is 0 at node 2. Here it is 0.4 megapascal. So this 0.4 megapascal varying with respect to which direction, whether it is acting with respect to R or with respect to varying with respect to Z.
So with respect to R.
Is
R.
varying with respect to R. With respect to TZ, that is traction force with respect to Z direction is what is there? 0.
0, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because varying like this, not vertical, that's why. Horizontal. Now they given this triangle and they given this length and height. This is the breadth, this is the height they given. So, and now we need to find R1, R2, R3, Z1, Z2, Z3 by seeing the figure. R1 here, R1, Z1, here R2, Z2, write down R2, Z2, R2, comma Z2, here R3, comma Z3. Correct now? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let me write the data now. R1. R1 equal to how much? Can anyone tell me? R1 is at node 1.
Sir, 40.
Here, see this. That is what very important. You can see the coordinate system. Where they given the coordinate system now? The coordinate system, the global coordinate system start from the with respect to node 1 only. Correct?
Then 0.
Therefore, R1 become 0.
0.
What is
Origin.
the Z1? Z1 also 0.
0.
Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Now, let me come to here. Fine. R10, Z10. R2 how much?
Sir, 40.
40.
40 mm. Z2 how much?
Sir, 0.
Because it is with respect to the
20.
here only, base only. That is 0, origin only. Next Z3 how much? Sorry, R3?
Sir, 40.
Here. What is the height they given? 20, and here to horizontal distance is 40. Therefore, R3 become how much? 40. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about Z3?
20.
20.
From here to here, with respect to origin, the height is 20. So everything in mm. All of you understood this? Hello?
Yes,
See,
sir.
they given origin with respect to node 1 only, but earlier case the origin they given here, coordinates they given with respect to this. That's why we taken from here to R1 is 50, Z1 is 50, R2 is 75, Z2 is 50, R3 is 50, Z3 is 75. But now the case is different. They given the origin with respect to the node 1. Therefore, with here R1 Z1 is 0, R2 0, sorry, R2 40 mm, Z2 0, Z R3 40, Z3 20. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also you write down one more data. TR equal to how much megapascal?
0.4 megapascal.
0.4 megapascal. This TR which is acting with respect to what are the nodes? 2 and
3.
2 and 3.
3.
therefore TR2 equal to TR3. Correct now? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 megapascal equal
Yes,
to how
sir.
much Newton per mm? 1 megapascal is nothing but 1 Newton per mm square.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, write down TR3 equal to TR2 equal to how much megapascal? So, how much Newton per mm square?
0.4
0.4 Newton per mm square.
Newton per mm.
What about TRZ2, TRZ3? What about TRZ2, TRZ3? With respect to y direction, what is the traction force? Sorry, z direction?
0.
0.
0, sir.
0.
TRZ2, sorry, not TR, sorry, TZ2, correct? Write down
Yes, sir.
TZ. TZ2 equal to TZ3 equal to how much? 0.
0.
Okay. This much is the data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula traction force? We know the traction force formula is 2 pi r bar L divided by 2 TR1 TR2 TR2 TZ2 TR3 TZ3, isn't it?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now TR2, TRZ2, TR3, TZ3 we know already. R bar we don't know. What is R bar now?
So R1 plus R2 plus R3 divided by 3.
Yes. R1 plus R2 plus R3 divided by 3. R1 is how much? 0. R2 how much?
40.
40.
40.
40 divided by 3.
26.66. 26.667.
26 point.
667.
Here they taken as 20. 1 minute. Centroid they taken. Centroid ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Divided by 3 or divided by 2 is there?
So divided by 3 formula prakara. So R1 0 already divided by 2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
Yeah. Here divided by R1 is 0, no? That's why divided by 2 you have to take it. Please, divided by 2 you have to take it. Therefore, then it will become how much? 80 divided by
40.
40.
ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ centroid means here. This is actually. You take r bar equal to, see, this is a centroid means will comes here, so that is of 40 divided by 2, but actually our formula is short. That is 40 divided by 2 how much?
So 20.
20.
Please show it in the figure. Centroid centroid is C here, therefore from here to here it is r bar, therefore r bar is 20 mm. Now next one is L. What is L? L23, because with this acting with respect to node 2 and 3, L23 equal to root of R3 minus R2 whole square plus Z3 minus Z2 whole square root. R3 minus R2 whole square plus Z3. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. R3 minus R2 plus Z3 minus Z2 whole square whole root. R3 40, R2 40, Z3 how much? 20 na?
Yes, sir.
Z2 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Whole root. How much you'll get? 20,
20 mm, sir.
20, sir.
Finally, name the next one. Finally, traction force become 2 pi r bar L23, this one, not 1 2, L23 divided by 2, TR2, TZ2, TR3, TZ3. So r bar is 20, L you will get 20, TR2 you know 0.4, this is 0, this is 0.4, this is 0. Therefore, once you simplify this and multiply inside the matrix, you'll get this much in tons of Newton. Check out.
Sir, 502.65, correct, sir?
Correct. 502.65. Rest of the second term is 0. Third term is again 502.65 and fourth point is 0, again 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by this problem is completed. That means in axis symmetric elements, numerical part is completed. That is fifth model is completed. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood all
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
See, in this topic, these two derivation is very important. It's fixed derivation. You have to practice, and especially first problem what we solved. This problem is very important. This problem, so many times it is repeated. You can see 1 year. In the next year, they asked on this. See, again same question is repeated, but what they are asking the question now, stiffness matrix derivation, 10 marks. Before they asked in the previous year question paper 12 marks, and this is 4. Now they made it, this is 10 and this is 6. Next one, on the next year, they asked what is an axis symmetric element, derive the Jacobian matrix. Up to Jacobian matrix only you have to derive. Got it? 1 1
Yes.
1 R1 Z1, 1 R2 Z2, 1 R3 Z3. Up to there only you have to derive.
Yes,
And
sir.
again the same problem carries 8 marks. And 10 scheme, there is no questions on it. Okay, that's all. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll stop it today. Up to here. Nagin Taj,
Yes, sir.
Nitish, Kishore, Pavan,
Sir, Kishore. Sir, Kishore present, sir.
Upananda present, sir.
Pavan N, Prajwal,
Present,
Punit.
Yes, sir.
Punit Kumar,
Present, sir.
Wasim, Vijay,
Present, sir.
Ramchandra,
Present, sir.
Bharat R, Ruchita, Shashawali,
Present, sir.
Sheikh Basha,
sir. Present, sir.
Chan Basha.
Present, sir.
अंतु पता नहीं है. अहमतुल्ला, शफी,
Present, sir.
शफी,
Present, sir.
शशांक,
Present, sir.
शेखर,
Present, sir.
टीजी सागर, सुमंत, तोगटा भरत कुमार, वरुण, वीणा, विश्वनाथ, वीणा, भरत, हेमंत,
Present, sir. Hemant.
दयाना,
Present, sir.
दिलीप,
Sir. Yes, sir.
गिरीश, गौतम,
Present, sir.
इस्माइल, ऋषि कुमार, तेजस कुमार.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.